Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to be working on repairing the bottom of the tailgate where it's all rusted out. We have a patch panel right here. I need to finish shaping up, so you can see this is the patch panel. It's kind of faded right now. I'm still working on it. There's this, and then it's going to go, I'm going to weld it onto the bottom of the tailgate right here, where there's all this rust. So that's gonna be the whole bottom of the tailgate. And you can see, here, let me pick this up real quick. I'm gonna pick this up. You can see right here where it was repaired before. Like right there is an old weld, and you see it rusted back through again. So I'm gonna do the repair the right way, and we'll never have this problem again. Okay, so hey guys, sorry the video is so short today, but here's what we got. We got this, well, we trimmed out the humps because they're just getting in the way. And then we hammered it mostly straight. As you can see, it needs a little bit more straightening. And then that'll go on right over here. Yeah, it'll go, we'll cut most of that out. All that rust will be gone. And then we'll go right around, we'll weld it right around these. We'll grind all that rust out there. And yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah. But here, let me show you. Oh, I bought some new, I bought a new body saw. You saw that in the time lapse. And then I had bought a die grinder a little while ago, and it just stopped working. Like the gears just stopped working inside of it, and then I tried to weld it in the right position, but then they just kept on binding on themselves. So I went back to Harbor Freight and I bought the more expensive one. This one I think was like $40 or $50, and this one just feels so much better. I'll let you guys know later how well it works and how long it works, well, and yeah. So stay tuned for that. And then I'll show you where we've gotten with the sandblasting. We're really, really close. So we're just gonna go. We keep the frame outside for now. So here it is, right here. It's got a little bit of flash rust on it, but see, as you can see inside, that's what we blasted today, and that needs a little bit more. We got all inside of that one, and then it's pretty much, this is all left, just right in there. Oh, there's a strap. Right in there, and right down there. So after all that, then we'll be done with sandblasting, and then we can move on to the body work, which is putting those two guys together. And then here. I love camera sensing. That, they'll need to be sandblasted, and then so will that. And then the top, we're probably gonna sand down and repaint. So that's all I got for you today. New video is going to be up on Monday, and thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you around.